Hello, everyone. It is indeed inspiring to see you back again. And this is Linux series, Linux fundamentals, and we are discussing today package management. And package management will be something very interesting and a small topic to understand and to work with. So let me share my screen, and we are using Ubuntu platform. As you know, we will continue to use Ubuntu platform in this series. And here you can see I'm logging in into the user Indeed Inspiring. Okay, fine. So let's move ahead. Let me make it full screen. Okay. All right. So what is package management? Let us try to understand. So package management in Linux refers to the process of installing, upgrading, configuring, and removing software packages. So software packages, in simple terms, you can call them as softwares itself, but technically they are software packages, and we try to install them, we upgrade them, we configure them, and we remove as well. We can have binary packages and we can have source packages. Binary packages are pre-compiled software, which means that you just need to install and start using them. And source packages are you need to compile them with the help of some project build tool, so they will get compiled and then you can install them. So this is the difference between source package and binary package. Each distribution has a package manager. Because there is a package, so there has to be something which can manage these packages, so we call it as package manager. And a repository that contains software packages, so there is a repository also. So understand, like we have an Almira where everything is kept, and we have a person who keeps those things, organizes those things in a structured manner. Whenever we want something, the person brings that thing from the Almira, and we utilize that thing. Whenever we think that the thing is getting outdated, we want the new version of it, so we ask the person to arrange new version of that particular thing. So this is how it actually happens in case of software package management also. The package is the item or number of items which we actually want to make use of. They have some functionalities also, obviously, and we can install them, upgrade them whenever required, and we can also configure them. Now, let us move ahead. What are the common package managers? So, the distributions we will see, Ubuntu is one of the distribution. For Ubuntu, we have package manager called as apt. The command is apt and dpkg. Then CentOS, RHEL, Fedora, we have yum or DNF. Yum, DNF, RPM are the commands for these package managers. For Arch Linux, we have pacman, and pacman is the command. For OpenSUSE, we have zipper, and zipper is the command. So this is distribution, the package manager name, and the command to be used. Let's see Debian. So Ubuntu is Debian based. So Debian based systems, Ubuntu, Debian. So here we use apt. So update repository info. So sudo apt update. And now I can go here, open terminal, and here I can write sudo apt, and then the command is update, sudo apt update. So update, sudo update, and it is asking me, you can see it is asking me for the password. I'll press the password and enter. So it is updating the system's I'll say repository. Okay, so sudo apt update systems repositories will get updated by this particular command. Now upgrade all the install packages. So upgrade, sudo apt upgrade, it will upgrade all the installed packages. So here you can see it has reading packages list done, building dependency tree done, reading state information done. 154 packages can be upgraded. So now I'll do sudo apt apt. So here I have to write sudo apt It is installing something. Okay. Let me just, okay. So sudo apt apt upgrade. Okay, enter. So now it will work on upgrade. It was updating the repository, and now I have run sudo apt upgrade. So if you see, upgrade is to upgrade all the installed packages. Then to install a new package, sudo apt install is the command, sudo apt install. So it is having a lock. Now understand the concept of lock. You can see that installing updates. So the updates is still running. Here you can see the updates is still running, and therefore at the back you can see that there is a lock. And this is a logical thing that lock applies as soon as something starts to get installed. Once it will get installed, after that the lock will get free, and we will be able to see that our the current command will also start working after that particular lock is freed. Okay, so it's taking some time. Let it get completed, and after that only we will be able to start. Let it get completed. So you can see that what we have done is the update command which we had run. So it is installing some packages. Then we ran the upgrade command also, but upgrade command is not running. Not running means it is not able to move ahead because the update command has got lock on this process. And once it is done, then the back screen you can see waiting for cache lock. So that lock will get released. Yeah, seems it's almost done. And this is the process which takes most of the time because these are having a lot of packages. Okay, let it basically run. Let's go here. So now after that sudo apt install git. This is going to install the package named as git. So whichsoever package we want to install, we can use sudo apt install git this way. If I want to remove that package, sudo apt remove git this way. And if I want to remove configuration files, sudo apt purge git. So configuration files also. Then search for a package, apt search apache 2, show package information, apt show curl. This is how. And in Red Hat based systems like RHEL, CentOS, Fedora, we have yum or DNF. So DNF is the modern replacement for yum in the newer distribution. So till now, everywhere you'll be able to see that there is yum, but DNF has removed or replaced the yum. Okay, so we can make use of either of them. So you can see that update a package, sudo yum update, install a package, sudo yum install wget, then remove a package, sudo yum remove wget, search a package, yum search nginx, then about package, yum info nginx. Yeah, so it's still running. Hmm. So meanwhile, what I will do is let me show you. Let me open another terminal. So when we install something at that particular point of time, what happens? cd/etc ls. Yeah. So, okay, it needs to restart. So let's do the restart. So you can see that a lot of packages it has installed. So we'll do the restart, and the upgrade command is yet to be performed. So it will get restarted, then we will perform the upgrade command. So let's come back. So as of now, what we have done is, like we have seen sudo apt update, which is working on the repositories. Okay, it is working on the repositories by updating them. And when it will be completed, we will run the command upgrade. It is going to upgrade all the installed packages. Those are installed, they will get upgraded. So this is a single command which can upgrade all the packages. So now let me open. Okay, that terminal got restarted, I think. Let's do cd tilt and enter. Okay, cd tilt. Okay, pwd. Fine, yeah. So sudo, and now upgrade we will do. Sudo apt apt apgrade upgrade. So sudo apt upgrade. This is asking for password. I have put the password. Now it is going to, there is already a log. Okay, so no problem. So what I'll do is init init 6. I will restart so that the log can get um, off, because it is asking for restart. That's why I did the restart, and this is going to remove the log also. Otherwise, I will have to forcefully kill it. With the help of kill command, I can kill that process which is holding the lock. But it asked for restart. That's why we are restarting. Okay, again, it'll take some time, and we can just go to the end of the document. So lower level package tools. So dpkg, rpm. So lower level tool for Debian packages, lower level tool for RPM packages. So installing Debian file manually, you need to use dpkg Debian package hyphen I example db, and here I rpm hyphen ivh, and then that particular rpm file name, then it gets installed manually. So many a times we have to go for this kind of installation as well. You might have seen that a lot of .deb file for Ubuntu you may get, for Debian you may get, and similar way, lot of RPM files you may get for the CentOS or Red Hat kind of systems. Let's go back so you can see that it has got started, and let us run this command. Yes, it is getting started. So VMware is slow, I told you, but I'm using the traditional version so far. And yeah, so sudo apt apt upgrade. Yeah. So it always asks, like whenever something needs to be installed, it asks if you are sure that you have to do it, then while writing sudo apt upgrade, just type space and hyphen y. So if you type hyphen y, it is going to install that particular thing. Okay, like install means it is going to add up that particular thing if you type in this particular way. Now you can see that it is waiting for headers, so it may consume some time as well. Okay, it has got started. Nice. Okay, it is done. You can see it is done. So the packages have got upgraded as well. And as it was written, if you want to go for individual packages, so sudo apt install git. So individual package name, you'll have to write sudo apt. Here it is install or get. This is install. Install install git. Enter. So I'll say yes. So you can see that it is installing git now. Okay. If you want to remove, then you can remove as well. Now I'm installing sudo apt install. You can remove sudo apt remove git. That also you can do. You can purge also, remove and configuration files also. Let's move out. Okay. So this is installed, and if I want to remove also, I need to write here. So if I type here remove and then press enter, then also it asks me permission and it removes git. So both ways, like if you want to install, then you can use install. If you want to remove, you can use remove. And then purge is there. So if I try to use purge now, okay, instead of remove, if I try to use purge, so purge purge, if I try to use, so here it is again asking, and it is purging the configuration files as well. So it's like completely you want to remove it, you have purged it. Okay. If you want to search for a package, apt search apache 2, that way you can do. So sudo apt search search apache apache 2, enter. So it is sorting and it is giving us the result, okay, the search result. So that is how you can search for a particular package. Maybe for git also, if you want to do search git, and it will search and it is going to bring back the search results for you. So search is also possible for the okay particular package. Now show package information. So apt show curl. So apt show show curl curl, enter. So it is showing the package curl and information about it, the version 8.5.0, the priority, origin, maintainer, original maintainer, bugs, installed size. So everything it is maintaining and showing it to us, the curl command. And the same will get replicated on the Red Hat base. So you can use Fedora, CentOS, or Red Hat. So there you can try the Red Hat based commands. Okay, fine. Now, where are the packages installed? So packages are installed in most of the programs are installed in user bin, user lib, or OPT. So these are the three options. Configurations files go to etc, logs go to varlog. So remember this architecture. So many programs or packages like user bin Java, if you see, so Java by default gets into user bin. So inside user bin, user lib, or OPT, and configuration files, so they go to /etc. If you see, you will find .conf files, and log files you will see under varlog. You'll see a folder of that particular software installed, and inside that. Security tips: always use sudo with the package manager. Avoid installing random .deb.rpm files from untrusted sources. This is the summary of what we have done so far, and a comparison also. Like how apt ubuntu, like how app package works, or how yum or dnf works. The new learning is that yum has always been used, but dnf is the recent replacement of yum. So you can try using dnf. That's the recent update. And uh, s- I'll also tell you that in case of yum and CentOS based, the CentOS support has been stopped. Okay, so further releases won't come. So therefore, try using the good alternatives for CentOS as well. Okay, like now I'm discussing with Ubuntu, so you can also basically try the same thing with CentOS as well, or RHEL as well. So that's it. And let me now close this in at 0. And if you have not watched the previous sessions, please go to the channel and watch the previous series of Linux fundamentals. And also, if you feel that these are helpful, share it with others as well. And also, if you feel that you need something more, you can write us in the comment section. We will come up with those sessions. So this is an education series. We are trying to basically share what we learn and practice. Thank you very much, and wish you the best for good practice of Linux administration. Thank you.